Pisces, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titinan natin what's coming to you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to because this is a timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Pisces. What's coming to you in the next 7 days? Five of Wands, Five of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and the Page of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Cups. This is leaving a situation. Oo. So, yung iba sa inyo, Pisces, pwede kasing you are making some changes, no? Meron kang, kumbaga parang napagod ka na. Oo. Ayan, no? The Chariot. Napagod ka na. Napagod ka na sa sitwasyon mo. You are now moving to a new direction. Hindi mo na hinihintay kasi yung kumbaga, hindi ka na maghihintay ng go signal ng iba kasi alam mo na ikaw ang mismong gagawa ng paraan para makaalis ka sa sitwasyon na nagpapastress sa buhay mo. Ayan o, merong Five of Swords, Five of Pentacles. Maaring some of you are financially struggling right now. Okay? Merong tutulong sa'yo dito sa struggle mo na to. Can be a struggle sa work, struggle sa career. Maaring babalik ulit yung spark mo. So, kumbaga babalik ulit yung interest mo sa buhay, yung exciting na energy sa'yo, the moment that you leave your comfort zone. Okay, so it's time to leave that comfort zone, Pisces, and go to a new direction wherein mas abundant, mas mamahalin mo yung sarili mo, mas bibigyan mo ng attention yung sarili mo. Okay? Maari kasing meron kang sitwasyon ngayon na parang someone is competitive of you, someone wants to bring you down. Merong pinapahirapan ka sa mga gusto mong maabot sa buhay. Someone is not supporting you, instead na sinusuportahan ka, binibring down ka pa. Kumbaga, siya pa yung reason kung bakit nagsi-self-pity ka, siya yung reason kung bakit gulong-gulo yung isip mo ngayon. And finally, no, with the Ace of Cups here, you are now entering a new chapter in your life na kung saan merong kang happiness, merong fulfillment. Parang bumabalik ulit yung spark mo. Bumabalik ulit yung interest mo sa maraming bagay. So, mangyayari lang yan if you leave that situation. Na alam mong hindi na nakakatulong sa growth mo. Kasi actually, alam mo kung what's going to be best for you eh. Alam mo yun eh. But the thing is, hinahayaan mo na magstay dyan kasi akala mo magbabago pa. Let's say sa trabaho, akala mo magbabago pa sa trabaho, mabibigyan ka pa ng break, mabibigyan ka pa ng opportunities. Pero wala na talaga. So, it's time nagkaroon ka na ng realization. It's time to move forward. It's time to go to a new direction. 'Di ba? Time to go to a new direction. And I feel like mas mapapabuti ka dun sa direksyon na yan. Mas aalagaan mo yung sarili mo, mas bibigyan mo ng atensyon yung sarili mo, at the more na minamahal mo yung sarili mo, inaalagaan mo, the more na mas nagiging productive ka. Kasi you are putting value sa sarili mo eh. 'Di ba? Hindi mo na sinasayang yung oras mo, yung panahon mo sa ibang mga tao na nagte-take advantage lang of your kindness. Kasi minsan may mga ganun talaga, may mga tao talaga sa buhay natin na yung parang sila yung energy vampire sa inyo, yung tipong kinukuha yung energy nyo, parang kumbaga sa para silang parasites na ikaw lang yung laging nag-e-effort para sa kanila, like ikaw yung nagbibigay sa kanila nung energy na kailangan nila, habang ikaw naman ay nauupos, habang ikaw naman ay nanghihina. So, ngayon, you are coming out of that situation. Mas malakas na yung loob mo na umalis sa ganyang sitwasyon. You have the crane. Crane is about commitment, faith, devotion. So, mas nagiging committed ka sa iyong mga pangarap. You have the seashell. Seashell is about spiritual growth, evolution, courage. So, meron ka na ngayong lakas ng loob na ipaglaban ang iyong sarili, ipaglaban kung ano yung gusto mo, kung saan ka mas malayang nagagawa yung gusto mo, and at the same time, nag-e-enjoy ka doon. You have the moth. Moth is your instinct, your intuition. So, I think for some of you Pisces, alam nyo na sa sarili ninyo na this is something that you need to do. This is something that kailangan mo talagang i-pursue, gawin, to finally take action, make some changes in your life, at umalis sa limitasyon na yan, umalis sa isang toxic situation. So, sa inyong money, career, finances, you have the Empress. Oh my God, double Empress ka ngayon, Pisces. There's abundance in your finances. Multiple sources of income para sa iba sa inyo. Yung iba, maraming options na mag-open sa inyo that is going to bring you stability in your finances. Yes. So, merong stability dito. Kailangan lang, you really need to yung mag-take ng action. Gumawa ka ng step kung paano mo mararating yan. Now, the first step is, alagaan mo yung sarili mo. 'Di ba? Nurture yourself. Kasi pag ang isang halaman, let's say isang halaman, isang puno na alagaan, mamumunga yan, mamumulaklak yan, 'di ba? At hindi lang basta mamumunga at mamumulaklak, masagana. Maganda yung resulta, maganda yung bunga. Okay? So, for your finances, maganda yung kahihinatnan nito. Kung ikaw ay mas magiging excited sa mga ginagawa mo, and to continue to take care of whatever you have right now. So, sa relationship, may the Moon, the Ten of Pentacles, the Three of Wands. Okay. So, I feel like, pagdating sa relationship kung nasa isang relasyon ka, napakaramdam mo, merong mga bagay na itinatago sa'yo yung person mo, I think, hahanapan mo ng sagot yan. Hindi ka mapapakali hanggat wala itong kasagutan sa'yo. Hanggat hindi mo nalalaman yung katotohanan. Lalo na kung ito ay bumabagabag sa'yo. It doesn't mean na hindi maganda yon. It doesn't mean rin na maganda yon. You just want to know the truth. Okay? Yung iba naman, maaring magkakaroon kayo ng malalim na samahan ng inyong person through travel. So, marami kayong mga pagsasamahan na journey together. This can be literal na travel sa iba't ibang lugar or yung inyong spiritual journey. Initiations, yes. You have to take the initiative. You have to take that one step. Be open through this transitional time. Yes, maging bukas ka raw dito sa pagbabago sa buhay mo in the next 7 days. Kasi you'll never know kung ano yung mga opportunities na darating sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.